Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the best French-style green bean cutter on the market, the TorSor 2-pack green bean slicer. If you love cooking with fresh green beans or snow peas and want to save time on prep, this kitchen gadget might just become your new favorite tool. The TorSor green bean slicer comes in a convenient pack of 2, making it perfect for busy kitchens or sharing with friends and family. Each slicer measures approximately 9.5 centimeters in length, 5 centimeters in width, and about 1.8 centimeters thick, which means it's compact and easy to handle, yet efficient for cutting long or round beans. Its design focuses on comfort and ease, featuring an ergonomically shaped handle that is non-slip and comfortable to hold, ensuring you can slice your beans smoothly without any hand fatigue. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with sharp stainless steel blades, this slicer promises durability and precision. The stainless steel blades are rust-proof, maintaining their sharpness over time, which makes slicing vegetables not only easier but faster. This means whether you're working with fresh kidney beans, broad beans, hyacinths, or even snow peas, the cutter will deliver consistent results every time. The operation is incredibly simple. All you need to do is insert the beans into the funnel at the top and push straight down. The cutter will shred the beans into thin, French cut-style slices, which come out neatly on the other side. This design eliminates the hassle of tedious manual slicing and makes your cooking prep quick and efficient. Cleaning the TorSor green bean slicer is just as hassle-free. There are very few parts to the device, so rinsing it under running water only takes a few seconds. It doesn't require any complex assembly or maintenance, making it a practical tool for everyday use. Plus, its small size means it won't take up much space in your kitchen drawer or utensil holder. Whether you're cooking at home or running a restaurant, this green bean slicer is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of beans and vegetables. Its ability to evenly shred beans makes it a great addition to your kitchen gadgets, helping you prepare healthy meals with ease. In summary, the TorSor green bean slicer is lightweight, ergonomically designed, sharp, rust-proof, easy to use, and clean. If you want to speed up your green bean preparation and enjoy perfectly cut beans every time, this tool is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and kitchen gadget insights. See you in the next video.